mute. It's a strumming technique. It sounds really cool in songs. It sort of adds a percussive sound when you're playing, so it sort of adds to the rhythm of a song. So I will show you the technique for the chuck strum, and we'll talk about some of the songs that I put chuck strum in school. Okay, so what is a chuck strum, or chunk, or palm mute? Well, if I strum the strings normally, I let the strings ring on, okay? But with a chuck strum, I'm going to stop the strings. So, difference, normal, chuck, hear the difference, normal. Now, I'm doing that because almost immediately that I strum the strings, this bit of my hand or palm mute, okay, is stopping the strings ringing on. So normal, strings ring on, chuck, strings are stopped, okay? Normal, chuck, normal, chuck, normal, chuck. I'll come in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing with my hand. Okay, so a bit closer in. Normal strum, strings are ringing on, and my hand is quite a distance away from the ukulele, but the whole point of this is I want this bit of my palm or hand to actually come into contact with the strings to stop it ringing. Okay, so I'm just on a C chord and normal strum, like so. This time I'm going to stop it with my hand. Okay, I'll do it again and again. Now if I turn around this way, you'll see my actual hand coming in and stopping the strings. I'm doing it very slowly at the minute, so alright. Now because I'm doing it so slowly, you're hearing the strings individually before my hand mutes it. As I speed it up, you'll hear less of that sound. So very slowly, I'll get faster, faster again. So it's almost instant, my hand stopping the strings mute, but you get this brilliant percussive sound. I'm doing that just with my first finger. Quite often I might use my second and third fingers, and you can get a really good sound then. Okay, slowly. All right, but you can hear it. But as I speed up, there's our chuck strum. Right, so we'll have a little practice. We'll use a C chord, and we're just going to do down, chuck, down, chuck. When we write out strum patterns, we use D for down, U for up, and X for our chuck, okay? Now, when you are strumming, keep it nice and light. Oh, I remember when I first started learning how to chuck, you do catch your fingers every so often and it can be painful. Very quickly, you get used to which parts of your fingers you should be using. Okay, so nice and slow, down, chuck, the letters will be below. Okay, on a C chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck. Nice and light. Down, chuck. Doesn't matter if you mess it up, keep the beat going. Down, chuck, down, chuck. Okay, we'll go a little bit faster. Right, still the same, down, chuck, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck. Nice and light. Right, just one more time a bit faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, chuck, down, chuck, down, will take a little bit of practice, all right? Right, so we'll take a little look at a couple of songs that we use the chuck strums for in school. The first one, The Lion Sleeps Tonight. I'm just going to show you on a C chord a minute, the strum pattern, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. Okay, I'm just going to try it without the chuck for a moment. So it should sound down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, it's got a bit of a swing to it. If you don't know how to do a swing strum, go and check out lesson 3 of my beginner's lessons, because I show you how to do the swing strum in that. So, without the chuck, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, with the chuck, down, up, chuck, up. Here we go. Down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. Alright, I'm keeping it nice and light. Alright, let's go a little bit faster. Here we go. Down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. Alright. Little bit faster again, not too fast, and this will take some practice, alright? It doesn't just suddenly happen, so a bit faster. Down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. Really light now. The faster you go, the lighter you play. Okay? Okay, so The Lion Sleeps Tonight. C, F and G7 chords. Down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. Okay, I won't do it quite as fast as the play along. Here we go, little introduction. The play along video, play along with it. Don't forget, you can slow the videos down by clicking on the settings, the little cog below the video, and down, up, chuck, up. A great way to practice it. Right, so we're going to add a chuck strum to the island strum now. So instead of just doing down, down, up, down, up, we're actually going to try down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Okay, we're going to do it really slowly to start with. So no chuck, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, now we'll try it down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Okay, slow. Here we go. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Okay, little bit faster, still just staying on a C chord for a moment. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4. Down, chuck, up. And even if you miss one like I just did, keep going in time. Okay, always keeping it nice and light. Right, We'll just go a little bit faster, still on a C. Okay, this time we're actually going to put a little bit of a swing on it, like there is in I'm Yours. All right, so it's going to go. Now that is going to take a fair bit of practice, all right? Slowly getting faster and faster. If you've got a metronome, great, but practice it. Right, so a little bit of I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. There is a play-along version to this song on my Ukuleleans channel and tutorial for the song as well here on Ukulele Wales. Right, okay, so down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Here we go, a little bit of an introduction. So it's 2 on each chord. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. Try to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't. And so on. Go and check out the play-along videos. It's far more fun than singing along with me. There are loads of songs you can put chuck strums into. Another really popular one, Riptide. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. Royals by Lorde. Down, chuck, chuck, down, chuck. I never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my dress. In the torn-up town, no postcode envy. There is a more difficult strum pattern in the song as well. Down, down, chuck, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, down, chuck, down, up, down, up, chuck. Okay, go and check out the play along for that. Another one I can think of off the top of my head, Wonderful World, Sam Cooke. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. Don't know much about history, don't know much biology, don't know much about a science book, and so on, okay? You can have great fun with chuck strums. Right then, don't forget, loads of songs you can put chuck or chunk or palm mute strums into them. Go and check out the play along videos. Any that I've mentioned in this video, I will put a link in the description. If you've got a comment or question, leave it below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.